Alright guys, so we're at the dog park working on the off-leash recall. And then this poor woman arrived and went on that side because she saw this whole pack. She had a lot of bad experiences. I don't know if you guys remember the last time we were here. The only reason we came because there was nobody here. That dog attacked Cheddar. Alright, yeah, get your Labradoodle. So we're just doing the same thing. You know, that we do at the house. We actually have a better dog park at the house than here. We started Cody with the pager, so she just kept holding it down. We don't have the sound box call on, but I can't stress enough, you guys, the most important thing you can do is have a dog come to you, not from a stay, and not making it sit when it gets there. Those are two biggest mistakes that people make, is constantly combining stay and we talk about this all the time. All right, get ready to get Roscoe if he starts heading this way. The other puppies are kind of just filling in. I'm making Sonia do the video because today's wear your pajamas to work day. All right, get Roscoe. So remember, you're just using the pager to get the successful behavior to happen over and over again. So I only want you guys giving Cody the treats for the coming for now, because he definitely needs work on that, which we're working on him. But don't let him get so far away this time.
Cody! Cody! Good. Cody!
All right, get this one. All right, get Cody. Never mind. Only want to do it when their back is turned, you guys, because that's when it's going to come in handy. All right, get Cody. All right, get ready for Cody when he turns his back. Oh, you sinker. No. So you don't want to correct unwanted behavior. You want to get the behavior that you want to happen over again. All right, get him before he gets too far away. Go ahead. Oh, he's catching on. All right, this Labradoodle's just guzzling down all the water. You better call him. Yeah, he's a guzzler, that one. Oh! A puppy's trying to get in my lap, that's what the problem is. Good. Fabulous, fabulous job. All right, you guys, we got to go to the car wash. A bird pooped on Eli's face. Hey, guys.